Okay, so one of my clients brought me one of her wigs. She wants me to change the colors. She wants to go from this green to an orange. Like, I don't know who did the color. This is the wig. Let me pull her up. This is the wig before. Okay, and we just gonna get it right and change it up. Okay. If you would like to see how I removed the green dye and got this orange bomb color, stay tuned. So what I did is I got this bowl and I put some dishwashing liquid in there, and I put some baking soda. Is that baking soda or baking soda? Baking soda. And I'm gonna put some shampoo, and I'm gonna use hot water. The next, because I know it's probably going to take a couple of processes for the dye to completely remove, I'm going to use boiling hot water. But first, I want to just kind of get the first coat out of there by not using boiling hot water. So let's see. So I'm filling the bucket up. I'm just going to rinse all that, circulate that around. Okay, so I got the wig in there, and as you can see, look, I just put it in there, and you can see the colors. The watercolor is already changing. You can see like and that's what we want. We want that out. So again, it's probably gonna take a couple of turns before we can get it back to completely blonde, but we're gonna get it there. I'm gonna let this soak, this first one, for about 30 minutes. So I did like 4 or 5 rounds with the done, and it was slowly taking me where I needed to be. Still very, very vibrant green. I was like, I think I got some more. Let me use some more dishwashing liquid, because I don't want to waste my good Dawn, because you know Dawn is not cheap. So I had this under the cabinet. It was a gift because I only buy Dawn dish washing liquid. And it's got Oxy in there. Y'all, when I tell you, it took me from vibrant green to now we got action. Like, hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that. But now it's literally, the color is lifting. The color, and this is just one time. So I know if I do it again, it's gone. So with that being said, the best type of detergent, dishwashing liquid to use when you're trying to get color out, it's gonna be this, baby. And this gonna get the job done. This gonna get the job done. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This is after one time with the Palmolive soap. I hope I'm saying that right. But Palmolive, I said Pam, with the Oxy. And so I'm about to do it again, and let's see. Okay, so now I'm on the last dip. Y'all, throughout this process, to make it easier, faster, and less dips, use almost boiling hot water. Like, don't let it get to a boil, but almost there, and it'll get the rinse off or the color off very quickly, and you can save yourself some time. It won't damage the hair. Okay, so this is what we have right now, y'all. It is blonde. Okay, so this is where we're at with it. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's blonde, but it does have a tint of the green in there. Just a tint. So I'm gonna use that purple shampoo just to get the just to try to, you know, get it completely blonde. But yes,
gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I
Okay, y'all, it's looking good. It's looking like the color that she wanted, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, now we just need to rinse it out, condition it, and you know, just prep it. Okay, so this is how she's looking. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna put like some waves in it. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking right now. It's dry. I'm about to crimp it a little bit because she said she wanted wavy. It might be a natural wave, but the wave pattern is really not waving, so I'm gonna do that. But the color came out really nice. It's giving that fall autumn look. Yeah.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, she keep that plump, that natural beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it in the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, don't do where you at, huh? Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you lie. I don't buy from the back.
Bend that ass over, doja, bring it back, back, back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat, cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit, I can tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack, get you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. Juicy and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, stomach, sometimes you won't. You told me don't, with no is you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That nice beauty, beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, 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 till you see it. Back, back, yeah. Back, 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 till you see it from the back. Back, 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 till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. He need that, need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the ride. He keep it running like it pump. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the ride. He keep it running. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That nice beauty, beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, 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 till you see it. Back, back, yeah. Back, 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 till you see it from the back. Back, 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 till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. just wanna lap dance. You just wanna pop up on these guns like you the Batman. You just wanna pull up in the sun with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more.